Welcome to Vivid Shores in beautiful Bonita Springs, Florida, one of Southwest Florida's most exciting new luxury lakefront communities. Set within a gated master-planned community, Vivid Shores is designed around stunning blue freshwater lakes, tropical landscaping, and a vibrant Florida lifestyle that blends relaxation, recreation, and modern coastal living. This exceptional new community is planned to include 451 exclusive home sites, creating an intimate yet lively neighborhood in one of the most desirable locations in Southwest Florida. What truly makes Vivid Shores stand out is its future vision. Planned future amenities are expected to create a true resort-style experience centered around the water and outdoor living. At the heart of the community, future plans include a stunning lakefront clubhouse and amenity campus designed to become the social centerpiece of the neighborhood. According to current plans, future amenities are expected to include a resort-style pool and spa, a resistance pool, and elegant outdoor lounge areas overlooking the lake. For active lifestyles, the community's future amenity plans include pickleball courts, tennis courts, bocce courts, a modern fitness center, movement studio, and wellness spaces. Residents are also expected to enjoy lake access for boating and water activities, scenic walking paths, golf cart-friendly streets, and beautifully landscaped green spaces throughout the neighborhood. Additional future plans also include a lakeside restaurant, bar, tasting room, and social gathering spaces, creating the perfect place to unwind and enjoy sunset views over the water. Beyond the gates, Vivid Shores offers an outstanding Bonita Springs location, just minutes from beaches, shopping, dining, golf, and easy access to both Naples and Fort Myers. It's a community designed for those who want more than just a home. It's about creating a lifestyle centered around luxury, lake views, and vibrant Southwest Florida living. For more information on Vivid Shores, available homes, future releases, and private tours, contact Southwest Coast Realty today at 239-229-9926. We'd love to help you discover everything this exciting Bonita Springs community